Ona thengia ya thirikari kurugamia utemi wa miti na ucini wa makara guku bururi-ini, makiria ma ahuri biacara 1,000 a makara kuma kaunti-ini ya Kitui ni makoretwo magitabania biacara ino mugaru na watho kuria makoretwo mambite he mahugururu-ini cia mutitu wa Sosoma. Munini wa ngavana wa Kitui Wathe Nzau, unyitaniri na kaunti kamanda wa borithi Kameme nimaracerete mutitu-ini uyu kuria nimarahobaniirie ahuri biacara aya na rori iria irakuite makara kuma mutitu-ini uyu. Nzau oigite thirikari ya kaunti na thirikari nene undu mwe na anyiti itemi othe nimagũtabania birigiceni ya kukia uthukagia wa mititu guothe bururi-ini na muno makiria kaunti-ini ya Kitui kuria ucini wa makara ukoretwo ugithie na mbere mugaru na watho.
They acquire fake permits. Some purported to be from Tana River, others from Kilifi, others from Lamu. But what we have gathered is there is no way now connecting Tana River and Lamu and Kilifi. One of the reasons is there has been a lot of rains in these sites and all the roads have been cut off, so the charcoal is coming from Kitui.
Agikira ndeto ino mukonde kaunti kamanda Kameme oigite matikugonderera kwitana na aria othe marathukagia mititu akiuga ni makutithania wira na afitha a matura kukia biacara ino kaimana.
Fortunately, as we were coming here, lucky enough, we met on the road to lorries carrying charcoal.
Aria maraikirio ngono mahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya mwingi metereirio gukinyio igoti-ini. Ngiripotera Kameme TV njitagwo Wangui wa Gathugu.